Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you guys along a journey with me. I am making some jerk chicken back and I decided, listen, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. This is a little bit of, excitement, but I know you guys will enjoy this one and I know you guys will go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. You guys can follow me on Facebook. It's Kali J's Kitchen. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's KaliKitchen_1. So this is my red stripe beer that I'm going to add to my jerk chicken. So I'm going to make a beer infused for my jerk chicken back, and I have my seasoned chicken back here. I went ahead and cleaned it up off camera, and I also added some jerk seasoning, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and some chicken seasoning, and combine everything together. Leave it for roughly about 3 hours and allow it to just marinate. Alright, so this is my jerk pan. As you can see, it's blazing hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add the chicken back to my jerk pan. So basically guys, I'm doing this outside, and this took me about 45 minutes to 1 hour to jerk. The coal was a little bit lazy, but we're gonna make it work. Alright, so this is the beer infused that I'm gonna make. This is the seasoning from the jerk chicken back. I added some of the red stripe beer. Shake it up together, or you just want to use something to just combine it together. Then I'm gonna pour it out in another container that is easier to handle while jerking my chicken back. Alright, so this is my jerk chicken back. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna spin them over on the other side so that the other side can cook as well. And each time you turn your chicken back, you always want to ensure that you add some of the beer infused. This will allow your chicken back to be really moist and not dry. I'm not sure if you guys ever had chicken back before, and it's a little bit dry. You don't want your chicken back or your chicken to be dry. So I'm gonna add the beer infused and cover it. Alright guys, so this is what my chicken back looks like. It's coming along. So I'm going to spin them again. And of course we have to pour some of the beer infused over it. And then I'm going to close it down and allow it to just continue to cook. And then I'll come back and show you guys what the final product looks like. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my jerk chicken back. I know this video is a little bit short, but I hope you guys got the concept, and I hope you guys already subscribe. I hope you guys turn on your post notification bell, leave a comment, leave a like, and I hope you guys already following me on all social media platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys realize that I served this up with some white bread and also some tomato ketchup.